What's up, folks? Honey's Morning Update. May 30th, post Memorial Day, synthetic Monday. Anyway, we're looking at TPO from August 16th through 19th, basically. Is the last time we were at these levels of last year, so this is kind of where we're at. Upside, right now, ES is at 42.41, high of 42.43, which was a spike yesterday on that brief holiday futures open. This 77.80 area is going to be what I'm watching. And then, as I said before, that 43.09 is really 9.10 area is going to be my tippy top look. But we do have some resistance at the 93, 90, but I'm really looking at that 80. So we'll see if that 80 level hits. Again, we're at 43 here. The 42.20 has been a big level you can see it back here too. So that's going to be important. That's also the low. So we lose that, I think we start heading back down. But the squeeze is on still. So I still, it doesn't look like it's going to go anywhere but up at this juncture. I hate to pick a side, but, debt ceiling, whatever, AI, whatever, NVIDIA, whatever, it's bullish. So we'll bring it back to current right here. Again, here's that 20 level. So you could go 15, 20 would be my over under. So below 15, I'm bearish. Above it, 20, I'm relatively bullish. You had that last peak of 27 that got blown up. So we'll see how this transpires. And then if we were going to get the downside, that traffic at 60 is huge. So that's what I would look at for, you still have that 4200, 42.068. But I would assume that we're going to clean up singles down here from Friday if we were to come back down. But again, we could consolidate here today and maybe make a move up, or we take a ripper today and just make this a clean shot. As of now, this is moving higher, So let's look at that. 45 is your R1. We're going to pretty much open at that at this juncture. We've got another 45 minutes to cash open. 42.70, I like that, and then 43.20. Again, I'm looking at the 09. 09.10 is really my tippy top, but that 20, mark that down. Pivots 95. I do like that actually. 41.69, basically 49.70 is great. 41.20, and then obviously these are extended because we had a decent move on Friday. Here's your daily. We are above the 4,200, so we'll see. If we continue up here. This spike up here was up to 29 or 27, so that could be a number as well. But again, I think that 09 would be it if this squeeze continues. And here's your weekly, so you have your fib retracement from the all-time high down to this dip here and back. And that 43.09 is your retrace, along with the 41.55. And these are levels we've been looking at for quite a while, but just keep in mind that this is definitely a target now. So we'll see today. I think there is still a cash gap, small, between here from Friday to Monday. SPX cash gap from Friday, 56 to 51 down here. 41.29 to 15. I wouldn't worry about that guy, but I think we'll probably start to try to chew into this one. 42.12 to 28, because actually we're above that, or we're going to be about that now. And then we have this little guy up here, 43.02 to 05. But this is what I would pay attention to, considering we're going to probably open up above that actually, if we stay. Euro had a great trajectory down. They're really battling that 107 level. It's above that 107.3, up 316 ticks. Apple's on the high this morning at 177. I think NVIDIA is up. NASDAQ's up 235. So I think that's up like 600 points from a couple days ago. ES is up 30, and Dow is up. It was red. It's teetering on unchanged. So we'll see today. Be careful. I would love to see an opening dip back down to the 40-20 level, have that hold, and then come back up. But I don't know. This has been a very tough market. VIX is going to get crushed again today, so premiums are going to be dog shit. So keep in mind either size down or don't trade. You don't have to trade every day. This has been a very difficult and interesting market to trade. So just be careful. I know a lot of people are having trouble. We're seeing some losses in the room. Please don't overtrade. Don't be sizing up, especially now. Just pick your spots and be patient to pick your spots. Best thing on today's is just to kind of judge in the morning whether we're going to have a trend day or a chop day, and then find points of resistance. But I would wait initially to see. 9 a.m. Home price index, we'll see what that is. Consumer confidence at 10 a.m. And then we have a Barkin 1 p.m. And then employment, productivity, manufacturing PMI might be something to watch out for. And then you have employment on the 2nd. So we'll see how this transpires today and then throughout the week. But again, please stay safe. If you have any questions, ask in the room. We're around.